Hi friends, welcome to my channel SK Solutions. In this video, we will discuss about the graphical solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables. In CBSE board examinations, there are always this type of question. You can easily score some marks out of this topic. This linear equations in two variables is also known as simultaneous equations. Let us go to the video. Let us take up some examples.
Solve graphically x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Let's see how this is done. The given equation, the first equation is x minus 2y is equal to 0. So we take this equation x minus 2y is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 2y, taking 2y on the other side. That will give you y is equal to x divided by 2. Now we will take few values of x, say 0, 2 and 4, and we will find the values of y and then the corresponding coordinates xy for this first equation, that is x minus 2y is equal to 0. So we will put the value of x as 0, we get y is equal to 0. Then we put the value of x is equal to 2 and we will get the value of y as 1. Then we will put one more value, that is 4, in place of x, and that will give us the value of y as 2. Now you can see the coordinates xy, that is 0, 0, this is 2, 1 and this will be 4, 2. The value of x is 2 here, value of y is 1. You need to take the numbers in the right order. Okay. Now we will take the second equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Again, rearranging this equation, we have 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Then 4y will give us 20 minus 3x. While taking 3x on the other side, we get 20 minus 3x. So this will give us y is equal to 20 minus 3x divided by 4. Okay. Now we will find the values of y, for which the values of x are 0, 4 and 8. So first we will put x is equal to 0. By putting x is equal to 0, we get the value of y as 5. So we get y is equal to 5. Then by putting x is equal to 4, we get the value of y as 2. Okay. Putting x is equal to 8, we get the value of y as minus 1. Now the coordinates are xy, coordinates are 0, 5, 4, 2, 8, minus 1. Now we are going to plot these points, these coordinates on a graph paper. So let's move on to the graph paper. So here is the graph paper, which is here you can see the x-axis and here the vertical line is the y-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. The x and y axis are marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here positive values up to 10. Here negative values on the left side up to 10. And positive values on the top of y axis and negative values on the bottom of y axis are marked here. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to plot these points here. There is the first point is 0, 0. Where is 0, 0? 0 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. So the point 0, 0 is here. Okay, this is the point 0, 0. Next point is 2, 1. That is from 2 we have, and from 1 we will mark the point 2, 1. Okay. Now next point is 4, 2. So from x-axis 4 and from y-axis 2 we get the position of 4, 2 and this is 4, 2. Now what we will do is we will draw a straight line. Okay, we will draw a straight line passing through these 3 points. So let's draw the straight line. Alright, and what is the equation of this line? Equation of this line is x minus 2y is equal to 0. So after completing the plotting and drawing the first line, we will move on to the second line. The second line is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. The corresponding points on those lines are, say, first one is 0, 5. So where is 0, 5? 0 on x-axis and 5 on y-axis. So you get 0, 5 here. Next point is 4, 2. So where is 4, 2? 4, 2 we have already marked. So 4, 2 is there here. Okay, you can see 4, 2 here. And then we have 8 minus 1. That is 8 on x-axis and minus 1 on y-axis. You will get it here. 8, 1. Okay. Now we have these 3 points and we can draw a line, straight line passing through these 3 points. So let us draw it. Okay, here is your line. And what is the equation of this line? That is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Now, after drawing these 2 lines, we can see these 2 lines are intersecting lines. These 2 lines are intersecting at a point. Which is that point? The point is 4, 2. So this 4, 2 is the solution of the equations x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. So finally we write the solutions are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Okay. I hope you understood this. Okay. We will take up more examples. Let's solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. The equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Rewriting this equation, we get 3y is equal to 9 minus 2x, or y is equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. Now we will take the values of x as 0, 3 and 6. Substituting x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 3. Putting x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 6, we get y is equal to minus 1. So the coordinates are 0, 3, 3, 1 and 6 minus 1. Okay. Now we'll take the second equation. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. So we will write this equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 18 as 6y is equal to 18 minus 4x, or y is equal to 18 minus 4x divided by 6. Okay. Again, let us make the table, complete the table by taking the values of x as 3, minus 3 and 9. So first by putting x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 1. And by putting x is equal to minus 3, we get y is equal to 5. And by putting x is equal to 9, we get y is equal to minus 3. So you have the coordinates here, 3, 1, minus 3, 5 and 9, minus 3. Now we need to plot these points on the graph paper and let's draw the graph of these equations. So the graph paper is here. Let's start plotting the points. See, the first point is 0, 3. So the point 0, 3 is here. 0 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. You have 0, 3 here. Next point is 3, 1. So let's mark 3, 1 is here. Okay, 3, 1. You have 3, 1 here. And 6 minus 1. The point 6 minus 1 is marked here. 6 minus 1. Now you can see these 3 points are on a straight line. Let us join these 3 points. So you get the line here. This equation of this line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Now let's draw the second line. Before that, we will plot the points for that line, that is 3, 1. Okay, you have the line point 3, 1 here, and minus 3, 5. So you have the point minus 3, 5. 3, 1 is already here. Okay, the point 3, 1 is already here, and now here you have the point minus 3, 5, and then you have the point 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Okay, 9 from x-axis and minus 3 from y-axis. You get 9 minus 3. Let's join these 3 points. If you join these 3 points, you can see you are going to get a straight line which will fall on the same straight line. So That means these two lines are coincident lines. So in case of coincident lines, you can see here there are infinitely many points on a line. So each of this point is a solution of this equation. Each of the point will be solution of this equation. So these two equations will have infinitely many solutions. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions. Okay, so these two equations will have infinitely many solutions. Now let's take up the third example, that is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. By taking this equation, we have x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Rewriting this equation, we have 2y is equal to 4 minus x, then y is equal to 4 minus x divided by 2. Let's fill up this table here by taking the values of x as 0, 4 and 6. By putting x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 2. And by putting x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 0. And by putting x is equal to 6, we get y is equal to minus 1. So the coordinates are 0, 2, 4, 0, 6, minus 1. So second equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Again, we will rewrite that equation. That is 4y is equal to 12 minus 2x. Y is equal to 12 minus 2x divided by 4. Just let us fill up the equations. The table here. For the values of x is equal to 2, 4 and 8. So putting x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 2. Putting x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 1. And putting x is equal to 8, we have again y is equal to minus 1. So the coordinates are 2, 2, 4, 1 and 8, minus 1. Okay, let us draw the graph of these equations. So by plotting the points 0, 2, okay, you have the point 0, 2 here, and the point 4, 0, which is on x-axis. Here you have the point 4, 0, and the point 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is here. Let us draw the line through these points. So you get the line through this point as x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And then by plotting the points for the second line, so all that you have to do is first you plot the points. Please do not plot all the 6 points together. That will be a confusion for us. So first you plot the first 3 points for the first line, draw the line, complete all the work of that line, and then take up the next set of points and then you start marking it. Here you have 2, 2 as a point. So 2, 2, where is it? 2, 2 is here. Okay, the point 2, 2, and then you have 4, 1. The point 4, 1 is here, and the point 8 minus 1 is marked here as 8 minus 1. Now we will draw the line passing through these 3 points. Okay, here is the line, and its equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Now you look at these 2 lines. What you observe here? Here the 2 lines are parallel lines. Do they have any point in common? No, 2 parallel lines, they cannot have any point in common. So since there are no point in common, we can say there is no solution, as there are no point in common. So these 2 equations, simultaneous equations or linear equations in 2 variables, they have no solution. Okay, it's clear, I think. Okay, we will take up the fourth example here. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. The first equation is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So rearranging, we will get y is equal to 6 minus 2x, and we will fill up this table here for the values of x as 0, 3 and 5. So by putting the value of x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0. You get the value of y is equal to 6 here. And by putting x is equal to 3, we get the value of y as 0. And by putting x is equal to 5, we get the value of y as negative 4. So the coordinates are 0, 6, 3, 0 and 5 minus 4. Let's take the second equation, that is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Again we need to find minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 2x. From here you write minus 2y is equal to 4 will become positive and minus 4x will become negative. And then y is equal to 4 minus 4x divided by minus 2. Again fill up the table here for the values of x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Let's put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 2. Let's put x is equal to 1, you get y is equal to 0. And let's put x is equal to 2, you will get y as 2. So the points are, the coordinates of these points are 0, minus 2, 1, 0 and 2, 2. Now we need to draw the graph of this equation. Okay. So let's draw the graph of this equation, that is for 2x minus y minus 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So first let us mark the point 0, 6. Okay, here is 0, 6. Then you have 3, 0. Okay, and then 5 minus 4. 5 from here minus 4 from here. So you get 5 minus 4 here. See, all these 3 points are in a straight line. Let us join these points by a straight line and write its equation as 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now take up the second set of values, that is 0 minus 2. Okay, here you have 0 minus 2 and then you have 1 0 here, 1 0, then the point 2 2, the point 2 2 is here. And if you draw the line here, we can get a straight line and its equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now you can see these two lines are again intersecting at a point 2 2. So the equation, the solution of these equations is 2 2. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So we have the solution of this equation as x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So this is the way we solve the equations by drawing their graph. And next we are going to take up a last question, which is a question from NCERT exercise 3.2. Okay, this question is also important. So let us discuss how to solve these two equations graphically. Let's take up the first equation, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So minus y is equal to minus 1 minus x, or y is equal to 1 plus x. Let us fill the table here for the values of x as 0, 4 and 5. Putting x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 5. Putting x is equal to 5, we get y is equal to 6. The coordinates are 0, 1, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Take the second equation. The second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Again rearranging, we get 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0 as 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x, or y is equal to 12 minus 3x divided by 2. Again we need to find the set of values for this equation, that is for x is equal to 2 we have y is equal to 3, for x is equal to 4 we get y as 0, and for x is equal to 0 we get y as 6. Coordinates are 2, 3, 4, 0 and 0, 6. Okay, let's draw the equation graph. For the first equation, if you draw the graphs, we will plot the points 0, 1, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Where is 0, 1? Yes, 0, 1 is here, and 4, 5. 4, 5 here. 4, 5 the point is here, and 5, 6 is here. 5, 6. Let's join this straight line and write its equation. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now for the second line, 2, 3, point 2, 3 is here, and 4, 0, 4, 0 is here, and then 0, 6, 0, 6 is here. So they fall in a straight line. We can join the points by using a straight line and write its equation as 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Alright. So what is the solution of this equation? The solution of this pair of equations is, you can see as they are intersecting at the point 2, 3, the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Now in this question we have one more part, that is also determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. So we can see here this line, this blue line and this red line and this x-axis. Okay, these three lines form a triangle here. Okay, can you see that? Yes, the triangle is formed here, and let's see what is the vertices. The vertices of this triangle are, you see that here you can see the vertices of this triangle. So here the solution is, already we have seen the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. And for the second part, you can see the vertices as these 3 points. What are the coordinates of these 3 points? Okay, that is -1, 0, 2, 3 and 4, 0. So the vertices of the triangle formed by these 2 lines and the x-axis are -1, 0, 4, 0 and 2, 3. So this much we have in this video as graphical solutions of linear equations in 2 variables. Children, I hope you have understood, okay, how to draw the graphs of 2 linear equations, 2 linear equations graphically, okay, and I think you have understood it. Okay, let's see in some other video with some other topics. Thank you.